Socialites, this is Kik and welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this video, it is because you are also a survivor of the 2020. For that reason, we have to come with everything this year, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can style your hair in 2021 to look stunning, flawless, even look as impressive as a celebrity. So now, let's slay. We are in 2021. I think we all know how 2020 was. Pretty crazy. So I think this year we should feel like positive and empowered. As we know, thanks God, everything's kinda returning or at least heading to normality. For that reason, whatever your return is, I mean, it can be photo shoot, going to an event, family dinner, parties, whatever it is. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can style your hair in 2021 so that you will definitely not go noticed and you will look stunning and amazing. Okay guys, let's get started. Whoa, we are kind of really close right now. However, I feel like I have kind of a lot of lights, but I don't know, probably it's better because you can see better. So as you can see for my new viewers, this is my natural hair, which I love it. But for the intention of this video, I want to make a change that creates kind of impact. For that reason, I am going to change the length of my hair from about, I don't know if my hair is kind of between 12 to 14 inches to over 30 inches. So that's a very long hair. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do, hair here. Oh. Okay, the first thing that I want to do is start straightening my hair. I have my device here. While I'll tell you a little bit more about today's hairstyle. So I'm sorry if I'm looking this way because I have my mirror just over here. So yes, today I'm going to create a look that is super in trend, I think, for this 2021, which is a super long hair. This is going to be a bun, guys, I'm telling you. So you have to stay until the end of this video because I have an extra bonus because I will show you two different ways how you can style this long hair. Both of them, I love them. I mean, probably different, you can use them for a different occasion, but they both are really nice. So now I will finish my hair. I have a bunch of videos how it's straightening my hair. Even I have a review of this amazing flat iron, so you can check my YouTube channel, don't be lazy, and I'll be back soon. Okay, my socialites, since I have my hair ready, I'm going to add these hair extensions that I have just right here. You can see they're very long. They are in between 30 and 36 inches in length, very long. Now I know you are wondering, oh my god, those hair extensions should be really expensive because the length, and you are right. But here's the thing, I made myself this hair extension. I mean, I just bought some bundles on Amazon and I made them. So I will link the whole information in the description box down below. I'm pretty sure I bought like 2 bundles of 30 inches and 1 bundle of 36 inches. So in total, I spent like probably $180, kinda. So I'm pretty sure it wasn't more than 200. So I saved a lot of money, guys, because hair extensions in this length, they could be a real pain. I mean, they could be really expensive. The only thing that I can say, if you can see this hair, the ends, they look like very thin. However, if you see like real natural hair in that length, that's how they look. So for me, it may look the hair like really natural. For me, it's kind of normal, so I'm not so complaining about it. And again, for the amount of money that I'm saving and the amount of hair that I'm getting and the amount of pieces, you will see it's a lot. I mean, it's still good deals. So now let's put it on while I'll tell you a little bit more about long hair. Okay guys, the first thing that I want to show you, again, I have a lot of videos kind of how I put on my hair extensions, so you can check my YouTube channel. I have different videos there, but I want to show you really quickly. So I just got this part here, and what I like to do is kind of braid my hair in the whole back part. I will show you really quickly. Just like that, because this will help me kind of save a lot of time, because I just will be working with this area, and also I have a lot of hair, so I have to do that. So now I have the two hair extensions here. This is 36 inches and this is 30 inches. So what I like to do is just use the 36 inches, the longer one, in the back part, so down here, so they will even create more like length. So that's cool. So for this I have 1 of 3 clip, 2, 3 and 4. So I have 4 pieces of 3 clips, and I have 4 pieces of 1 clip. I will save these 4 pieces of 1 clip, and I will start working with these 4 pieces. So I will put it just down here as I told you. Let's see. So now that I have the, oh my god, this is so long. Like, woo! So now that I have the 36 inches, remember I still have 4 pieces of 1 clip of this length, but I will leave it there, and I will jump to the 30 inches. So for this I have even more, because I think I bought 2 bundles for this one. So I have 1, 2 big, like big, 2 of 3, so I have 4, and then I have, oh my god, 4 of 2, so I have 8, and they have, oh yeah, 4, oh wait, I have 5 of 2. What? 5, that's a lot. Yeah, I have 5 of 2, so I have 4 plus 5 is 9, and they have 2 little ones. I have 11 pieces of 3 inch. I don't know if I will use all of them, but okay, let's start with the biggest one. So now I will use 2 of the long one, and I will put it just right here. 2 of the 1 clip, so 1 clip here and 1 clip here. After that, you start like putting your hair however you want. Filling up the gaps just here in top. Try to be the most blendable and natural as possible. Okay, my socialites, you can see I didn't put all of them because it's kind of a lot of hair. Still have some left here, but I won't use it because I think it's enough for the purpose of this video. But as you can see a little tiny layer on top of my hair, which doesn't kind of blend very well. However, I will do the first look that you can use this hair extension of this length of hair, which is my favorite, which is kind of natural wavy hair. I love it. And for that, I have this amazing device. You can see this item. Just create the waves just ready. So what I want to do is just take that little piece in top. Even you can get it with the hair extension, so it's gonna be better. And you will put your hair there. And now you can see that you even cannot notice the difference. I don't know, because the light probably you can see different tones. But yeah, because the hair extensions are like off black, which is kind of, and my hair is probably like off black but a little bit more brown. So, but honestly, in person looks more and more natural, so don't be worried about it. So I will keep doing this in all my upper level area. As you can see the difference, it looks more natural, it blends better with the waves. This part, you see the difference. So I will finish it up this and I will back soon with the final look. Okay, my socialite, I really hope you like this look. I really love it. Actually, this is my favorite in this length of hair. I love the wavy, natural. For me, it looks really, really nice. I did a photo shoot for my beard the last January. I love the result. I mean, this hair is amazing. But as I told you, I will give you an extra look, extra bonus, which is another look that you can start with this same hair. And this is a straight hair. So now with my best friend, I just will go ahead and straight all this hair. Probably will take few minutes. I mean, it's not a lot of hair, but it's long, very long. So I will start. I won't be lazy. And while I'm doing this, I will tell you a little bit about long hair because I did my research, and I will tell you a little bit about what long hair in men means. So in some circles, long hair on men is seen as a symbol of power and freedom. In others, however, it makes up kind of a girly look. Rockers have used them. I mean, the long hair rockers, also Native Americans, and also in the history, the Greek warriors. And throughout the century, long hair has been a symbol of power, freedom, good health, and also non-conformism. I think those words define me because I'm really ambitious, honestly. In good way, but I am. So now, long hair in woman is beautiful and sensual, adds extra feminine flavor to a woman, and looks really, really sexy. I believe it. I mean, I love also like women with short hair. They look so powerful as well, but long hair is long hair. I love it. So I go ahead and finish all this, a lot of work, and I will back soon with the final result with the second look, guys. Okay, my socialite, this is the final result again. I love this straight hair. It's the first time that I do this look, but I'm living for it. Okay, the first look, which was the natural wavy hair, it gives more kind of natural look. And also that look adds kind of more volume, which I love volume. That is my favorite one, I think. And that look also can use both for glam up or even use it just for more casual look. This straight long hair, I see this look more kind of elegant look. I think this is great if you wanna kind of create a glam look, and probably I will say this straight look will create even more impact. I don't know, I have that feeling like, ooh, it feels like really cool. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, you want to join my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Creating different content every week in my different platforms, Kike Society Instagram, Facebook page, and also TikTok. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. Again, oh my god, I can't stop looking at the mirror with this long hair. I love it. And y'all take care and see you in my next video.